973 AD, two empires, one blood feud that had lasted generations. But what if I told you this ancient hatred ended not with a final battle, but with a handshake? This is the story of how Europe's bitterest feud finally found its conclusion. For 50 years, the Holy Roman Empire and Slavic tribes had been trapped in a cycle of revenge. Each raid demanded retaliation. Each death required blood payment. The cost was staggering. Trade routes collapsed, villages stood empty, and an entire generation knew nothing but war. Emperor Otto, I ruled the most powerful empire in Europe, but he faced rebellion on all fronts. Duke Boleslaus I controlled strategic lands but watched his people suffer. Both men inherited this feud, but only they could choose to end it. In 973 AD, at the Imperial Diet of Quedlinburg, the impossible happened. Instead of demanding surrender, Otto offered partnership. Instead of defiance, Boleslaus offered loyalty. The treaty they signed recognized borders, established trade, and most importantly, broke the cycle of vengeance. The peace held immediately. For the first time in living memory, merchants could travel between territories without fear. Artists exchanged ideas. Most remarkably, when Otto died just months later, Boleslaus honored their agreement, maintaining the peace for decades. The Peace of Quedlinburg became a blueprint for medieval diplomacy. It proved that even the most entrenched conflicts could end through negotiation rather than annihilation. This single agreement laid the foundation for the peaceful development of Central Europe. Other channels will tell you about feuds that began, but here we explore how they ended. In the end, the true measure of these rulers' greatness wasn't in the battles they won, but in the peace they built.